Hey pimps, DocDrydenn from the PiMP support team. In this video I'm going to show you how to flash PiMP OS version 2.6 onto your hard drive from a Windows machine. To do this we're going to need our PiMP 2.6 image. We're also going to need the HDD Raw Copy tool. And we're going to need a formatted hard drive of at least 16 gigabytes in size. For this video I'm going to be using a 120 gigabyte SSD with a simple SATA to USB adapter. So now that we have everything we need, the first thing we're going to want to do is open up File Explorer to the This PC section. I'll do that now. This PC section. And we're going to physically connect our hard drive to the computer. The drive should show up in the File Explorer window, and this will be to verify that Windows can actually see this hard drive. And there it is, disk E, coming in at 111 gigabytes, 120, close enough. So the next step is going to be to go ahead and close the File Explorer, because we don't need that anymore. And then we're going to launch the HDD Raw Copy tool. So this tool is going to ask us two questions. And the first question is right here in the middle. It's asking us to select our source. And the source is the PiMP 2.6 image that in this video we have on our desktop. It is a file, so we will double click on the file section and we will select our PiMP file, which is on the desktop right there. We will click open. Once we've got it selected, we'll click continue. The next question that it's asking is to select the target. The target is the physical hard drive that we just plugged in. As I mentioned earlier, I'm using a USB to SATA adapter, so it's the only USB device showing up right now on this machine. And like I said, it's a 120 gig hard drive. We'll click continue. At this point, HDD Raw Copy tool is ready to go. When you're ready, you click start, and it will ask you one last time if you are absolutely sure that you want to proceed. You are installing PiMP, so of course you want to proceed. So we'll click yes. So now, this can take a little bit of time. On my machine, it takes just under 5 minutes. Your miles may vary, but due to the magic of video, I won't make you wait those 5 minutes. And just like that, we are at 98% complete. And task is now complete. Once the task is completed, we can go ahead and close down the HDD Raw Copy tool. And before we remove the hard drive from the computer, and this is important, we must eject the drive from Windows before we remove it. To do that, we go down to the Start taskbar, this little icon here for Safely Remove Hardware. We'll go ahead and right click on that. This is the adapter for my SATA to USB. I'm going to click on that to eject the drive. I'm going to click it one more time to make sure that it's actually gone, and it is. So at this point I can go ahead and physically remove the drive. This is an important step because failing to do this will cause your PiMP key to fail validation on your PiMP rig. And the only fix for that is to come back to this and re-flash the image and make sure that you eject the drive before you disconnect it. Okay, so that's how easy it is to flash the PiMP 2.6 image onto your hard drive. If I missed something or something wasn't clear, please comment below and somebody from the support team will help you out. Thanks.